Today, I'm showing you one of the easiest, most affordable, and most useful upgrades you can add to your bathroom: installing a handheld bidet sprayer. Whether you want better hygiene or you're looking to cut down on toilet paper, this simple DIY upgrade can make a huge difference. Let's jump right into the step-by-step guide. Tools and materials you'll need: handheld bidet sprayer kit, adjustable wrench or pliers, Teflon tape. Step 1. Turn off the water supply. First, locate the water valve near the base of your toilet. Turn it clockwise until it's fully closed. Now flush the toilet to empty the tank and release pressure. Step 2. Disconnect the toilet's water hose. Next, disconnect the water supply hose from the bottom of the toilet tank. Use a wrench or pliers if it's tight. A little water drip is totally normal, so don't worry. Step 3. Install the T-valve. Now take your T-valve and attach it to the toilet's inlet valve. This T-valve will split the water supply between the toilet and your new bidet sprayer. Hand tighten it first, then give it an extra snug turn with your wrench. Step 4. Connect the sprayer hose. Attach one end of the bidet hose to the T-valve and hand tighten it. Then connect the other end to the sprayer handle. If you want, add Teflon tape to the threads for extra leak protection. Step 5. Mount the sprayer holder. Your kit should include a holder. You can mount it on the wall with screws or clip it onto the side of the toilet tank. Choose whichever fits your bathroom best. Step 6. Test everything. Turn the water supply back on slowly and inspect for leaks. If everything looks good, squeeze the sprayer trigger to test the pressure. Use the T-valve to adjust and control the water flow to your liking. And that's it. You've successfully installed your own handheld bidet sprayer. Quick, easy, and super practical. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Drop your questions or future DIY ideas in the comments below. See you in the next one.